Hey guys, Conor here with the Motion Visual. I've got tons of Spline videos and tutorials up on this channel already with some deep dives into lots of aspects of the program. I've tried starting a complete guide to Spline series a few times but never really got there. Today I'm making it happen. This step-by-step guide will take you through everything I know about the program. I've created all the videos you're seeing right now in Spline. I love this program because for me, Blender or Cinema 4D was overwhelming and held me back as I got lost in the weeds with technical controls and could never reach that creative flow state that artists talk about. Spline may not have everything Blender has to offer, but for me as an artist, it provides me the freedom to create like no software ever has. It's so much easier to create amazing things in this program than many realize. I'm confident the developers at Spline are constantly working hard to make this experience even more magical, and so I'm all in on Spline. Like I said, I've got tons of lessons already, but if you're a beginner looking to seriously take full advantage of this program, congratulations, you're where you need to be. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for me if this guide is something you'd like to see fulfilled. Ask any questions in the comments, I'll answer all of them. I teach one-on-one Spline Zoom lessons as well, just so you know, but let's skip the nonsense today and get right into this. Spline is a free program to use and download. Go to spline.com and hit get started. Make an account, you can download the program or use it in your web browser. Click New File up top, and you're ready to go. Click anywhere in the dark area to get rid of this menu you see, and then click the gray square and hit Delete. That line you see in the middle represents the lighting of your scene. In the left, you'll see directional light in the black box. This left box will be a list of all the objects in your Spline scene. The right box has a ton of features to control everything, and we'll slowly learn all about it. But first, let's look for the word scene in the right and click the gray box next to background or background color. Click it to open a color menu. Pick a color like this blue. Look, much better already. Now if you look in the top menu, you'll see an icon of a cube. We're going to create your first 3D object now. Click the cube. Now hold Shift and click anywhere in your background and drag down and to the right. Holding Shift ensures that your cube will have equal proportions on all three axes. The axes are titled X, Y, and Z, and they represent side to side, up and down, and back and forth respectively. If you look right now, you'll see the menu has changed. You'll see settings for position, scale, and rotation. This represents the properties of your new cube. Right-click the cube and select Reset Position. This perfectly centers your cube in your scene. You'll notice all the position numbers are now set to 0. Now click in your background again and deselect your cube. Press and hold Alt on your keyboard and click and hold your mouse in the background. As you move your mouse around, you'll notice you're changing your perspective of the cube and your scene in general. As you can see, the light from the top right is lighting your cube while the other sides of it are in more darkness. Now check out the bottom menu. This little red, blue, and green cross represents your perspective. If you hover your mouse down there and click Reset, it will center your perspective again for you. On the other side, if you click Isometric, you'll get a diagonal view of your scene. If you scroll your mouse back and forth, you'll zoom in and out on your cube. And if you click your scroll wheel and move the mouse, you can move around back and forth in the scene. This is how you move about the 3D space in Spline. The orthographic setting gives you a mathematically precise view, while the perspective setting will give you a realistic, lifelike perspective. Click your cube again and go to the right menu where it says Material and click the gray box next to the word Color. You can recolor your cube here. There's a ton of incredible materials to learn about that we'll get into in the future, but for now, you've learned a little about all the menus, how to create your first object, and how to navigate an interface of Spline in 3D. Awesome. We're going to end the first lesson here, but don't worry, lesson 2 is coming right away, and it's likely already available for 99% of you. Before moving on, practice using the Alt-Click Rotate, Scroll Zoom, and Scroll-Click techniques to get really familiar with moving around the 3D scene. This is going to be super important. Consider it your homework, and I'll see you in lesson 2. Thanks so much for hitting the like and subscribe buttons for me. It's going to be the difference maker on whether I can complete this whole guide for you guys, so sincerely, thank you. I'm Conor, this is the Motion Visual, and hopefully I'll be seeing a lot more of you. Till next time, peace.